Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today we've got a G-Wagon G63 in for a service. So the full-blown V8 biturbo AMG version of the G-Wagon, nice bit of kit, is in for its A service, which is the third one. So on this service we'll be changing the air filters and dust filter. So it's important to know exactly where to jack these vehicles up. There's a specific place on the chassis legs to jack them up, and then you will have to strap them down. So we've got a hook on the offside rear of the vehicle and then a hook on the near side front. There is adapters you can purchase from Mercedes. We use the rotary lift ones, same principle, but obviously just make sure you strap them down, because there's been cases where they have come off the ramp. I mean, Mercedes will specify to strap the vehicle down, so that's what we do. So if we just look at the V8 engine, there's twin turbos sat underneath there, no dipsticks on the newer stuff. It's all done on the diagnostic machine or on your instrument panel. You can access it there. So we're going to raise it up and we'll get the oil drained. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and then we'll keep posting some more videos. If you like this video, check out our AMG GT service that's on the channel. All that's left now to do is give it a road test and let the customer know it's ready.